Gusto mong malaman bakit may creators na tuloy-tuloy ang growth? May daily habit silang ginagawa. Pag-usapan natin mga ginagawa daily ng successful creators. Una, they create even when they don't feel motivated. Hindi sila umaasa sa mood. Umaasa sila sa discipline. Kasi alam nila, consistency beats inspiration. Pangalawa, nag-o-observe sila araw-araw. Tinitingnan nila anong content gumagana, anong hook malakas, anong topic may traction. Successful creators study patterns, hindi puro post lang. Pangatlo, they improve one thing daily. Maybe better hook today, better caption tomorrow, better storytelling next. Small upgrades compound. Pang-apat, they engage. Hindi sila nag-upload tapos alis. Nagre-reply sa comments, nakinig sa audience, nakikipag-connect. Kasi community builds longevity. Pang-lima, many go live or show up beyond posting. Kasi visibility creates trust. At trust builds growth. Pang-anim, they learn daily. Successful creators don't stop studying. Algorithms change, platforms evolve, audience behavior shifts, kaya sila nag-aaral. Pang-pito, they treat content like a business. May planning, may tracking, may testing. Hindi puro random posting, may strategy. At alam mo pa ang isa, maraming successful creators may ginagawa na hindi visible. They protect their mindset. Hindi sila madaling ma-distract sa comparison. Hindi agad sumusoko sa low views. Hindi nila binabase ang value nila sa isang post. That matters. Kasi success sa content creation, hindi lang creativity, emotional endurance din. So kung gusto mong gumalaw tulad ng successful creators, start simple. Post daily, study daily, improve daily, engage daily, and learn daily. Success is often boring repetition done well. Hindi magic, habits. May natutunan ka ba? Paki-comment, routine kung gusto mo ang part 2. And see you in the comment section.